May the peace, blessings, and mercy of God be upon you. Welcome to this in-depth video in which we will talk about mental health disorders and how these disorders affect people's daily lives. In a world full of challenges and pressures of daily life, the human mind is exposed to stress and psychological pressures that may negatively affect our mental health. Definition of mental health disorders. We begin by defining mental health disorders. Mental health disorders are diseases that affect the cognition, mood, and behavior of individuals and also affect the way they live. These disorders include depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, autism spectrum disorders, and many others. These disorders may be partially or completely confirmed and may persist for a long period of time. The impact of mental health disorders on daily life. Now let's talk about how mental health disorders affect daily life. In general, these disorders hinder the ability to perform normal daily activities. It can lead to problems with concentration, memory, and mental flexibility, and affect sleep and eating. Some individuals have difficulty with decisions and social interactions, and some may have difficulty maintaining regularity at work or school. Energy decreases and fatigue increases, so the desire to enjoy things we previously enjoyed may decrease. How do I know if I have a mental health disorder? If you are experiencing any of the following symptoms, it is important to see a doctor or mental health professional. Feeling sad, hopeless, anxious, or extremely angry. Feeling tired or lacking in energy. Feeling lonely or isolated from others. Feeling confused or having trouble thinking. Feeling afraid or panicked. Feeling unable to control your thoughts, feelings, or behavior. How can I get help? There are many ways to get help if you have a mental health disorder, including psychotherapy. Psychotherapy helps you learn how to deal with your thoughts, feelings, and behavior. Medications. Some medications can help relieve symptoms of mental health disorders. Support groups. Support groups can help you connect with other people who understand what you're going through. Different types of mental health disorders. 1. Anxiety disorders. Generalized anxiety disorder is a constant feeling of worry and tension for no specific reason. Panic disorder. Sudden attacks of intense fear and confusion. Social phobia. Extreme fear of social situations. Obsessive compulsive disorder. Repetitive and disturbing thoughts and behaviors. 2. Mood disorders. Depression. A constant feeling of sadness, despair, and loss of hope. Bipolar disorder. Severe mood swings between mania, feeling extremely happy, and depression. 3. Psychotic disorders. Schizophrenia. Loss of the ability to distinguish between reality and fantasy. Hallucination disorder. Hearing, seeing, or feeling things that are not there. 4. Eating disorders. Anorexia nervosa. Refusal to eat adequately due to fear of gaining weight. Bulimia nervosa. Episodes of overeating followed by purging behaviors such as vomiting or diarrhea. 5. Personality disorders. Borderline personality disorder. Impulsive and aggressive behaviors and difficulty forming relationships. Narcissistic personality disorder. An exaggerated sense of self-importance and an excessive need for admiration. 6. Other disorders. PTSD. Disturbing symptoms after experiencing a traumatic event. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Difficulty concentrating, paying attention, and controlling behavior. Advice. Management of mental health disorders. Can mental health disorders be managed? Naturally. With proper support and health care, individuals can cope with these disorders and return to a normal life. Methods used for management include pharmacotherapy and psychotherapy. If you think you may be suffering from any of these disorders, it is important that you see a doctor or mental health professional to evaluate your condition and get appropriate treatment. There are many effective treatments available for mental health disorders, including psychotherapy and medications. Don't hesitate to ask family and friends for help. Thanks for watching.